Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to import labor time cards from Microsoft Excel into SCM. So you're going to go down to your HR module here. Under the time card and expense stats, go to labor time cards, click these three dots, and click import labor time cards from Excel. Here you're going to be able to choose your file. So your Excel file needs to be organized as so. The yellow highlighted parts are what is required for the import to work. Everything else is optional. The date must be formatted as a date. The company name is required if it is a different company. So it's required when importing time for outside firms. Make sure that your cost code is the exact same cost code that is referenced. And then you would go back to your import labor time cards, choose the time card, and import it. Now, if your import fails, which this one will, it will show you exactly what is wrong with your time cards. So total records 6, imports failed 6 of them. And in here in the red is why they failed and what you need to fix on your Excel spreadsheet. Then you can choose your file here and import the correct one, and they will be manually imported immediately.